Good morning, students, and welcome to your weekly walkthrough. This week we have a special schedule, and so if you open up your, if you go to Schoology and you go to Language Arts, and here in the week of 125, Discovering Westmore, if you open that, you'll notice the special schedule for Tuesdays, and this is just a special schedule for periods 1 and 3. Because we do not have school on Thursday, for you, we'll have our second class of the week on Tuesday afternoon. And when you go to have the class, the link is here under the special schedule. Please start out with the Read First page. And you'll notice that for periods 1 and 3, the schedule is here. The work that's due for the week is reading chapters 7 through 9 of Discovering Westmore and writing 3 discussion questions. And then in class, we'll be discussing Westmore. In the afternoon, my top priority is focusing on students who need support for any missing work. The end of the semester is Wednesday, and so I want to make sure that if you have missing work, that you have an opportunity to get it in, and if you need my help, I'm happy to help you with that. So if you do not have any questions for me and you don't need help, you don't need to come to afternoon class on Monday. Instead, you should work on tonight's work, which is to read and listen to chapters 10 and 11, basically to finish Discovering Westmore, and to write 3 discussion questions. Remember, the best discussion questions are ones that have multiple answers, each of which can be substantiated with something from the text, backed up with something from the text, so that we can delve more deeply into the book itself. For periods 4, 5, and 6, I'll see you Tuesday morning like I normally would, and we'll discuss Discovering Westmore. And then we will not have class on Tuesday afternoon. Again, periods 4, 5, and 6 will not have class Tuesday afternoon. Instead, periods 1 and 3 will have their second class of the week on Tuesday afternoon. So the Farmers and the Volts will have class on Tuesday afternoon. That's when we'll be discussing Discovering Westmore, chapters 10 and 11. And then also we're going to review the playlist assignment, which will actually be the first grade of second semester for you. On Wednesday, we have our MLK assembly, and again, my priority is supporting students who have missing work. I will be available all day, so regardless of when you would normally have my office hours, just contact me and I'll send you the link so that you can come anytime during the day for support. Again, on Thursday, there's no school for you. And then on Friday, it's a typical Friday. So it's periods 4, 5, and 6 who will have class in the morning and in the afternoon. In the morning, we'll be discussing chapters 10 and 11 of Discovering Westmore, and then we'll also be reviewing the playlist assignment. For you, I have an activity of a meme reflection. Periods 1 and 3 don't need to worry about that yet because we'll do that for them the week after. There are 2 things to note before I let you go, and the most important thing is you'll see there's this assignment here that says Transformation Playlist Review Instructions. This is a large assignment. It's 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to do it. It will be your first grade and second semester, and it's due in 2 weeks. What I'm asking you to do by Wednesday is to just review these instructions. All of these things where it says a claim statement about change and transformation using the Shift and Changes claim template, we'll learn how to do that in class. So if you don't know how to do that, that's fine. Also, textual evidence, using the this and that and power verb construct. Again, you don't know how to do that yet, maybe. You'll learn how to do that in class. All I want you to do for this week is to just review the assignment and be thinking about the curation of 10 songs that relate to discovering Wes Moore. Again, what you'll be doing is creating a playlist and then writing a paragraph for each song that you chose, and I'll teach you how to do that in class. What I'm asking for this week is to review these instructions, and the second thing is to begin thinking about the songs you would like to include in your playlist. That's it. Have a wonderful week, and the magic password for today is tenacity. Again, the magic password for today is tenacity. Have a wonderful week.